The Char-Broil Advantage Stainless 4-burner is one of the shiniest gas grills on the showroom floor of stores worldwide and is built to stand out and look great while it sits indoors. With a large stainless steel construction and a fairly inexpensive price for the size, there are many benefits to this gas grill. The electronic igniter lights all the burners effortlessly, and the grill heats quickly. It reaches 500 degrees Fahrenheit in an impressive under 3 minutes. The trade-off is somewhat uneven cooking. It tends to overheat in the middle of the grilling area and cooks less effectively on the sides. This is a big barbecue grill with plenty of cooking space. You can fit up to 24 burgers at once on the 480 square inch main cooking area. There is also a spacious side burner for frying up side dishes for a large group. The warming tray holds up to 10 patties. This is a great place to set side dishes like corn on the cob or asparagus as your meat cooks. It also has a side table with plenty of space for salads, condiments, and your cooking tools. Overall, this Char-Broil 4-burner is a spacious grill with stainless steel grates that do an average job of locking in heat. However, like other fast heating grills we tested, it doesn't retain heat as well or cook quite as evenly as some of the top-rated gas grills that require a little more patience. Nonetheless, this is a nice, affordable grill with plenty of cooking space that effectively cooks all types of meat for large crowds.